Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And we got something really bad here. So if you look at the very first layoff is that you got this bear flag, you came down, you're moving sideways, and you're looking to pop to the downside. And if you are looking for the next technical target, we might be talking about a 13% drop, which is actually down to these areas near the 4,000 level areas. It seems like the Binance USD listing is going to make a little bit of trouble. Now, I've been looking at JASMY previously, and I told you that I still want to see somehow one wave down and complete the fifth wave. So basically, we're looking for the weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame is where I've been talking about previously as well. So let's do this very, very quickly. And I don't know if we have the favorites up here. I think I just got everything off. Anyways, just gonna click the drawing icon right there, and we're gonna take in the show on chart, of course. So where is it? All right, so the Helio wave theory. So we have this one very big first wave. We got the second wave. We're making that third wave, the fourth wave here. I'm still wondering if there could be a fifth wave leg down. This is still something that is a very big question mark. And I've been waiting this for a very, very long time, like very long time. It's been months. It's a weekly time frame, and that's the reason why we still have the question mark if this is going to happen. I don't want to actually confuse anyone or anything, not a financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion and my own personal observation on how I've been, trading JASMY for a long time. And yeah, we did have a nice good push to the upside, but I'm still, wondering if they're actually going to make this bearish rectangle ever play out, because when the prices came down, they made this sideways movement, and the technical target still shows and points down to this level. So you could, you're still on a journey to go down there. You're still on a journey, regardless of making pumps like this. And I've always said this, that the only way to get above and never actually get down here is to get above the rectangle itself. Invalidate rectangle, you're good to go. But what did you do instead? You went down here, and you still ended up coming near this resistance level up here. So this was support there, support, and you have this still acting as resistance. Can you pump back up again? You can still find resistance there. That's the thing. That's the weekly. Smaller time frame pumps, people get bullish, but weekly time frame still shows a move to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.